Hello friends, welcome to the Zen channel. So friends, today I will talk about ASRock Challenger series gaming monitors. So friend, ASRock announced its new Challenger monitor series including CL25FF and CL27FF models designed for light gaming that aim to challenge users' precision or business displays, offering a gaming grade experience with high specifications. And the Challenger monitor series boasts a remarkable 100% refresh rate, combining flicker-free technology to combat screen flickering and AMD FreeSync technology to eliminate screen tearing, and paired with a wide angle IPS panel that supports low blue light mode, and you can accept a smooth, detailed visual experience. And friend, it features a wider 24.5-inch screen than standard 23.8-inch with this monitor, while the CL27FF takes it a step further with the 27-inch Full HD resolution panel, ensuring sharper and more vivid visual images through the utilization of IPS screen technology. And friend, this monitor series presents a heightened sense of reality with vibrant color effects and expansive 178-degree wide viewing angle, ensuring you can relish the breathtaking visual experience for every perspective. And friend, it incorporates lightning fast 1 millisecond response time. This ensures a seamless, blur-free viewing experience even when watching fast-paced dynamic videos or engaging in high-speed gaming. And friend, if you like my video, please do like, share and comment, and don't forget to subscribe my channel and press the bell icon.